Ever wondered what dessert could make your Christmas extra special? Enter the Christmas Eggnog Cheesecake Bites, a perfect fusion of traditional Christmas flavors that is sure to send your taste buds on a festive journey. This delightful dessert requires a handful of ingredients: creamy cheese, sweet sugar, fresh eggs, aromatic vanilla extract, rich eggnog, spicy nutmeg, and crunchy graham cracker crumbs, each component playing its part to create a symphony of flavors and textures. Sounds delicious, doesn't it? Now let's dive into the making of these delightful bites. Begin by preheating your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. As it warms, start with the heart of your cheesecake bites, the cream cheese. Beat it until it's velvety smooth, then gradually add sugar. Once well combined, we introduce the eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. The vanilla extract is next, followed by the star of our show, the eggnog. Each addition is crucial, and each thorough mix is key. Now that the creamy mixture is ready, it's time for the crust. The crust is what gives our cheesecake bites their unique character. Start by combining graham cracker crumbs and melted butter, creating a delightful crumbly mixture. Nestle this mixture into a muffin tin, pressing firmly to form the crust. Now, pour the creamy cheesecake mixture over each crust. Here comes the warmth. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until the center is set. Once baked, let them cool and then refrigerate for at least 3 hours. Now for the final touch that makes these bites a Christmas delight. Picture this, a light dusting of nutmeg, enhancing that rich eggnog flavor just before serving. And there you have it, Christmas Eggnog Cheesecake Bites, a dessert that will leave your guests asking for more. So, are you ready to delight your taste buds this Christmas? With just a few simple steps, you can create these delectable Christmas Eggnog Cheesecake Bites, a holiday treat that's both easy and irresistibly tasty. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more delightful recipes. Happy baking and Merry Christmas!